Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices. Power the scanner, open the Square Point of Sale app, and choose your checkout device. Connect via USB or pair over Bluetooth in keyboard/HID mode so the scanner inputs like a keyboard. Once paired, make sure the Square app is active and the cursor is in a search or item field. Scanning will enter a barcode value. If your scanner has multiple pairing modes, set it to the one Square accepts, usually HID, to avoid input conflicts. Next, map barcodes to items so scanning pulls the right product. In the Square dashboard or app, edit each item and place the scan code into the SKU or UPC field, then save. For large catalogs, export or prepare a CSV with a barcode column and import it into Square to automate matching. Once done, test a few items by scanning to verify the correct product appears. If a code doesn't match, check for extra characters or leading zeros and rescan or re-enter manually. For checkout, aim the scanner at the barcode and trigger while the Square app search field is active. The item should populate immediately. Once the item appears, adjust quantity or modifiers and complete the payment. If scanning seems to do nothing, try typing the barcode into the field to confirm input is accepted. Make sure the scanner is in HID mode, repair Bluetooth, or restart the app or device. A quick restart often restores keyboard input and resolves common connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.